This is Gary Kayye. We're at the Almo E4 show, and obviously we're at the Peerless-AV booth. No longer Peerless, Peerless-AV. That's important, though. It is important.
Yes, it is. AV is a very big part of Peerless. Yeah. We enable technology.
So this is Brian McClemens. Brian is the AV guru inside Peerless, and he's the reason why they have a -AV at the end of Peerless, because Peerless is no longer just a mount company. Peerless is doing a lot more than mounts. I mean, you've gotten into HDMI distribution, you've gotten into now digital signage, custom kiosks, which are really cool. And I know if you want to see all the stuff that Peerless has here at the Almo E4 show, you can go through and watch each one of these videos that we just shot. But I have some questions for you.
Sure.
What's next? Like what's I know that, yeah, I mean, I know there's parts of your product line you're talking about expanding, but I want a hint. What's coming at InfoComm? What can we expect?
What's coming at InfoComm? Well, really, what we're trying to promote here, and we promoted at the Digital Signage Expo, is some new inventions that we've got with the wireless devices as well as kiosks. And we haven't really launched those to the InfoComm Pro AV market space. This really, at the Almo show, is really our first place that we've done that. So we are going to do more of that. And we really think this product here is going to be a well-received product at InfoComm, which is literally combining our wireless technologies with our speaker technologies so that you can literally do a short throw projector in a classroom, and all you have to have come into the wall is power. We take care of the rest. We get the video and the audio to the projected image wirelessly.
And what's neat about this system, and again, you're going to do a video on, you can watch a video on the entire system, but is that it's sort of an all-in-one system that can be installed by one person in a matter of hours rather than spending days speccing it out and figuring out what's going to go in there. I mean, it's literally a one-man job in a couple of hours.
We look at it as disruptive technology. So basically, it's combining, like in your presentation, you're saying how many AV products are in a typical installation going down. That's exactly what we're doing here. Is we're bundling as many of the technologies into one device to solve a problem and make it much easier for an installer to actually go out there and get this taken care of at their customer's site.
And ultimately, this is like a combination of video, audio, in a way, control, but also mounting, and it solves all the problems with
the industry's leading gear projector mount on it already, so customers are familiar with that. And they're familiar with the HD flow. We're combining it together with the distribution amplifier, allow for wireless microphones to be plugged into it so presenters can talk over the audio source if they would like to, and it just really helps everybody out.
It's really an audio and video system, but I want to come around here. I want to force you to show me this kiosk thing here. I was super impressed with this at the DSE show. This is an 80-inch LCD inside here.
Yeah, 90-inch sharp.
Yeah, 90-inch. This is 90-inch or 80-inch? Okay, so sorry, this is a 90-inch, but it does come in 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever size you want to make it, basically.
We can do any size that customers want. We can add sound, we can add, we partner with content companies to do the content, and then also in this particular case, they're using wireless gesture-based technology from Soft Kinetic. So it's not Microsoft, it's Soft Kinetic, and really helps people immerse with the digital signage that they're interacting with.
And what's neat about this is that you can custom build these. So you can custom wrap the graphics, you can customize the color, but also you can customize it from inside out so that whatever display they want to put in there, whatever media player, whatever devices, cameras, anything else they want to put inside, you can custom pre-integrate it, right?
Yes, Peerless is actually getting in the business of integrating kiosks. We're enabling the channel so they can specify the hardware that needs to go into it, and we will actually integrate it into the kiosk, test the components, and make sure everything works, ship it as an all-in-one device.
So where do they start? They just go to Peerless-AV.com or what?
Yes, they go to Peerless-AV.com, and you can actually build and integrate your kiosk online or contact your sales representative, and we can partner with them to make it happen.
So if you want to see all this stuff live, you need to come to InfoComm or come to next month's E4 AV tour in San Francisco. But InfoComm in June, they're going to have all this in their booth, the wireless HDMI stuff, the audio system, the classroom stuff. They're going to have the custom kiosk stuff. Thanks for joining. And
waterproof TVs.
And waterproof TV. So we first heard it here. So we're going to start spreading the word that we know what they're doing at InfoComm now. They're going to have waterproof TVs. But I knew that anyway because of the company you bought recently, so I figured that out. But anyway, thanks for making me feel like I got some custom, some private information. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you in San Francisco.